Welcome back to another XDP install video. Today we'll be diving into the BAK Industries BakFlip G2 hard folding tonneau cover. This tonneau cover provides unbeatable protection and accessibility for your truck bed. Unleash the full potential of your truck bed with the BakFlip G2. This premium tonneau cover provides exceptional protection for your cargo, tools, and gear, ensuring they stay safe and secure in any situation. The BakFlip G2 comes equipped with a dual-action tailgate seal, granting you 100% unrestricted access to your truck bed. No more hassle, no more limitations, just pure convenience. The buckle system allows you to drive with the cover folded, flipped up, or securely closed. Thanks to BAK's concealed system, your truck bed contents remain locked and safeguarded by the tailgate. Crafted with precision, the BakFlip G2 boasts solid core panels with robust aluminum skins. Its sleek, low-profile design not only enhances the aesthetic of your truck, but also adds a layer of toughness that can handle the demands of your lifestyle. Experience seamless functionality with the BakFlip G2's automatic latching panels. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your truck bed is securely sealed, keeping your belongings safe from preying eyes and the elements. Worried about installation? Fear not. The BakFlip G2 features an easy clamp-on installation. No complex tools or extensive mechanical know-how required. You'll have it up and running in no time. Elevate your truck's functionality and style with the BAK Industries BakFlip G2 hard folding tonneau cover from XDP. To find out more and get one for your truck, head on over to xdp.com today.